Who is involved in a pantomime?
He's behind you!
Have you ever been to a pantomime at Christmas? Maybe you saw Cinderella, Aladdin, or Jack and the Beanstalk. Pantomimes are full of laughter, songs, colourful costumes, and fun characters, but they're also part of a long history of British storytelling. Like Shakespeare's plays, which you might read in school, pantomimes are based on old fairy tales, myths, and legends. They've been entertaining families in theatres across the UK for centuries. But here's something you might not know. It takes a huge team of people to make a pantomime happen. Some are on-stage roles, performing right in front of you. Others work off-stage roles, making sure every light shines, every costume fits, and every audience member has a great time. Let's find out the jobs involved in a pantomime. On-stage roles. Actor. Actors play characters, speak lines, and bring the story to life through their voices, facial expressions, and movement. In pantomimes, they often talk directly to the audience and get everyone involved. Dancers. Dancers add energy and excitement to musical numbers, often performing lively routines that help tell the story through movement and rhythm. Offstage roles. Offstage doesn't mean less important. In fact, without these people, the show couldn't happen at all. They're the hidden heroes who plan, build, organise, and manage everything behind the scenes. Let's have a look at some offstage roles. Box office. The box office team handles ticket sales and helps you get the best seat for the show. They're the first people you talk to when you want to see a performance. Front of house. Front of house staff greet you at the theatre, show you to your seat, and might even sell you a programme or an ice cream. They make sure the audience is safe, comfortable, and ready for fun. Theatre manager. The theatre manager leads the front of house team and is in charge of making sure everyone in the building, including you and the performers, is safe. They give the signal when the show is ready to begin. Marketing team. They help spread the word about the pantomime through posters, social media, and local events. In smaller theatres, the box office team might do this job too. Producer. The producer puts the whole show together. They hire the creative team, choose the show, and make sure everything runs on time and on budget. Director. The director is like the boss of the show's story. They guide the actors, the set designers, and everyone else to make sure the whole production fits together perfectly. Choreographer. Choreographers create and teach all the dance moves. In pantomime, they also help direct how characters move on stage in funny or dramatic scenes. Set designers. They imagine what the world of the play will look like, from castles and forests to flying carpets. They sketch and plan every detail before it's built. Set construction team. These skilled workers build the sets from wood, paint, fabric, and more. They turn the designers' ideas into real scenery that actors can use on stage. Costume designer. They design what each character wears, from a fairy's glittery gown to the pantomime dame's outrageous outfits. They make or adapt costumes to fit each performer. Dresser. Dressers help actors get changed quickly backstage. In fast-paced pantomimes, some costume changes happen in just seconds. Dressers keep everything ready and in good condition. Wham team. The Wham team, which stands for wigs, hair and makeup, help turn actors into their characters by styling wigs, doing makeup, and creating magical looks, from wild animal faces to glamorous queens. They work closely with the costume department to make sure everything looks just right for the story. Sound engineer. Sound engineers look after the microphones and music. They test all the equipment and mix the sounds during the show so you can hear every word and song clearly. Lighting technician. They check that all the lights are working and safe, and operate the lighting board during the show. They might even control the spotlight that follows the main actor. Automation electrician. Ever seen a flying carpet or a magical ice castle move on stage? That's thanks to automation electricians. They make sure anything that moves by itself is working smoothly and safely. Stage management. Stage managers are the organisers of the whole show. They make sure everyone knows where to be and when, from actors and technicians to costume and props teams. During the performance, they call cues for lights, sound, and scene changes, keeping everything running smoothly behind the scenes. Stage managers are like the glue that holds the whole show together, making sure everyone works as a team to bring the pantomime to life. Stage door staff. These are the key holders to the whole building. They sign everyone in and out, make sure the theatre is locked up, and keep track of who's inside at all times. And that's a wrap. As you can see, a pantomime isn't just about the actors you see on stage, it's a massive team effort involving creativity, organisation, and technical know-how. Each person plays an important role, and together they create a magical experience for the audience. So next time you visit a theatre, look around and think about the people you don't see. Could you be the one helping the show go on? Maybe you'll write the next big hit, design an incredible costume, or make the lights sparkle just right. Want to get involved? Subjects like drama, art, DT, music, ICT, and even science can all lead to careers in theatre. Every great show starts with learning something new.